show you what I got. The first item that I got is this, isn't this cute? This is like a clutch. Now, funny enough, I had an iPhone, so she sent me this, which is fantastic. And then, of course, I just got a new phone, a Galaxy, so it doesn't quite fit in here, almost, but not quite. However, my daughter has an iPhone, so the iPhone fits really nice inside. This is leather, and I'm going to show it to you. It's got this cute little gold detail, and it says something on it. I can't quite read what that says. So I'm going to open it up and show you the inside. Okay, so it's got, you know, a spot for credit cards and another place for, you know, your bills or whatever, or, you know, your dollar bills or whatever. It does have an area for your change here, and then it has, see, 2 more spots here, and then you can put your license here and some more, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's hard to show up. There we go. You can see you put your license there, and there's some more, like maybe your immediate cards that you're going to use right away on this side. So you just take your cell phone, and I'm assuming that you can put it in any one of these spots, but I think that this middle one is likely how it would go. I'll stand up so I can show you guys this. So you just stick it in there, stick your phone in there and go. You could put it in the zipper thing, then you're going to close it up. And there you go, you got your little clutch. So this would be really great, like if, I don't know about you, but I have a shoulder issue. So if I carry a big heavy bag, then, I mean, my shoulder hurts the whole time I'm shopping. So my must-haves would be my money, my driver's license, and my phone. Those are the things I absolutely have to have when I'm out and about. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll leave the big purse home and just grab this and go. So if you can keep your keys in your wallet or in your pocket or something, then this is a nice little thing to just walk around with, and you don't have to carry a big bag. So kind of cute. So there's that. The other thing I got, I guess this, I didn't know if this came with it or not. It wasn't in that. It kind of came separate. I actually almost threw it out because I didn't see it. So it's a pen, but I can use it in my purse, which is great. It's an actual real pen. And then on the back, it has a stylus for your phone. So that's kind of a nice little accessory to have. And it's just a simple pen with the stylus and the pen on the one end. All right. The other item that came in is this. It's a universal power bank, a USB backup power. So if you are on the go, these are great. If you're on the go, and it did come with this cord. However, it did not fit my iPhone. So, you know, I think there's an adapter that you need for it. And it does not come with the adapter, but I think those are easy enough to come. I looked, and my Samsung came with one in its box, so likely, I don't remember when I got my iPhone, but likely you have one of these that came in the box with your phone when you purchased it. And you just plug one end in here, and then you plug your phone into the other end, and it'll light up. In fact, I can show you. Oh, maybe I can't show you because it doesn't work. But you plug the other end into your phone. This lights up green. You know then that it's charging, and that way, if you are not near a power supply, but you need to charge your phone, these are something just throw in your purse, and you can charge your phone on the go. So kind of cool there. And you can go through their entire website and take a look at it and see what you might want to get at the discounted price. They do have some really pretty, beautiful things on their website. I did take a look around, and they have quite a variety. It looks like their stuff is very high quality. I definitely would check it out.